Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the brand new Colourpop Snow White collection. I'm going to be creating this eye look for you guys. I'm also going to be doing close-ups and swatches of everything in the collection. I'll be doing lip swatches of all of the lip shades, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you guys do enjoy today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, let's go ahead and do close-ups and swatches of everything that comes in this collection. So first up in this collection, we have the Dreams Come True eyeshadow palette. This is a 12-pan eyeshadow palette and the price is $22. Here are all of the shades in this palette. I think that the color story is gorgeous. I actually love that this color story just screams Snow White to me. Obviously, you guys can see that the colors are based on Snow White's dress and just her in general, and I just love it. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch all of the shades. First up, we have Spellbreaker, With a Smile, Ever After. This gold has that kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, wet, kind of like mushy formula. Like you can see that it's already like pushing down in the pan. Such Grace, Someday, True Love. Ooh, okay, that one is so pretty. My Prince, Carried Away, In the Land, Charmed, Just One Kiss, and Far Away. Alright, so here are all of the shades. They all swatched beautifully except for the light gold. I just don't really like that formula from Colourpop, so I'm kind of disappointed that that one is in this palette. But all of the other shades swatched beautifully, and I love the color story. Then we have three Super Shock blushes. These are $10 each. The first shade is called I Wish, I Wish. These are all like luminous, glowy blushes. Okay, this looks very pretty. Then we have the shade Fair Enough, and Just Rosy. So there are all three of the blush shades. Then we have two lip kits in this collection, and these are $20 each. They have a luxe lipstick, a lippy pencil, and then a lip gloss. So this first one is Thy Magic Spell, and here are the lip products. So first we got the lippy pencil. Super pretty, like deep berry color. We have the luxe lipstick to match, and the luxe lip gloss. So there are the shades from the first lip kit. Then this one is called Love's First Kiss, and in this set we have deep reds, so yeah, here are all of the lip shades in this collection. Then we also have a lip scrub. This is literally so cute, the little poisoned apple. And then this collection also comes with a handheld mirror, which I personally love because I use mirrors like this all the time. So yeah, I love that. All right, now that you guys have seen everything swatched, let's go ahead and move on to the demo part of this video. I'm going to be creating this eye look. We'll be trying out the blushes on the cheeks and then doing lip swatches. All right, so I'm going to first try out the Super Shock blushes, and these are glowy and very pigmented, so I'm like a little bit nervous to apply these. I think I'm gonna mix the two lighter shades. I'm like so pale right now, so I'm gonna go in like very light-handed. Like I'm just going to lightly tap into the darker one and just kind of just start with that and start tapping it on the cheeks. The shade is actually like so pretty. Even though it's a little bit dark for me right now, it is just a gorgeous blush shade. Love the glowiness to the cheeks. As I said, I'm going in very light-handed because I'd rather build it up than to just start out looking like really crazy. That's all I'm gonna apply for the darker one. Now I'm gonna take the lighter one and we're just going to kind of tap this right on top. I don't normally go for like a glowy blush, but I actually kind of like the way that this looks. Hopefully you guys can tell on camera, but in real life it looks very nice. Like it's a natural looking glow. It doesn't look like glittery or anything like that, which I hate glittery makeup, so I really like the way that these look. Pleasantly surprised with these blushes. With this shimmer though, you can like see my texture obviously more than with a matte blush, but that's with any shimmery product. It's gonna make your face look a little bit more textured. But yeah, I really like the way that those look. So now we're gonna try out the eyeshadow palette. So really quickly, I'm just going to apply a little bit of eye primer to both of my lids. So I'm just going to tap this all over. So I'm first going to pick up this light peachy shade over here, and I'm just going to start lightly tapping this all in my crease. I'm just going to slowly build it up, and then once I've tapped it everywhere, I'm going to start blending outwards. This shade obviously has good pigmentation. Colourpop has amazing eyeshadows, so I never have any problems with their palettes. The only shade I already know I don't like is that like more wet type formula. I think it's like a super stock formula, but in the eyeshadow palette, and that is just not my favorite formula from Colourpop. I wish they would stop putting that in palettes. Now I'm going to pick up the shade called Someday, and I'm just going to blend this a little bit lower in the crease. Now I'm going to take this shade, and I'm just going to kind of like stamp this, oh boy, that's very pigmented, on the outer corner, and then I'm going to kind of work it into the crease a little bit. Ooh, let me just grab a little brush with nothing on it, then I'll kind of blend it out with this tiny brush. That shade is very, very pigmented. Now I think I'm actually going to take the lightest blush, and I'm going to pick some up on my finger, and I'm just going to put this on the inner corner area, like just a little bit. Now I'm going to pick up some of this shade, and I'm just going to lightly tap like a tiny bit on top, just because I want to kind of set the blush because it's a little bit creamy, and I want to lighten it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to take some of this bright gold, and I'm going to start blending this backwards, but we need to kind of mix these two shades together. Luckily the blush is like a pink with gold glitter, so I think we can blend these shades together. It just might take a little bit of back and forth with both of the shades. Now I'm going to grab some of my prints, and I'm just going to put this all on the outer part of the lid. Then I'll just kind of go over everything with this tiny little blending brush. Now we're going to take some of that shimmery white shade, and I'm just going to put this in the inner corner just to kind of brighten this up a little bit. I feel like I have to use the blue, so I think I'm going to try and put this on the lower lash line. This might be a bad idea, but you know, it is what it is. So we're just going to try and maybe smoke this out on the lower lash line. This might have been a terrible idea. So I went ahead and applied some mascara. Now it is time to try out the lip product from this collection. So I think that the red actually goes with this look better. So I'm going to show you guys the deeper berry shades first. First going to apply the lip liner. Very, very creamy. Then the lipstick. I normally wouldn't add a lip gloss, but since this one goes with this, I'm going to do it. Well, that actually looks kind of cool. So here's how all the lip products look together from like the deeper purpley berry kit. And yeah, looks very pretty. Now I'm going to take this off and apply the red. First starting with the lip liner. Now the lipstick. And then we have the lip gloss. Alright you guys, so that is everything in the new Colourpop Snow White collection. I really enjoyed the eyeshadow palette. I thought the color story was super fun, and I really like that you can just tell that this is Snow White by looking at the palette. So yeah, I really liked all of the shades in here. I always love Colourpop's quality of eyeshadows, except for this one right here. I hate that like super shock formula. It's just not my favorite. I don't really like it. So I didn't even use that one because I just wish they wouldn't even put it in the palette. I thought that the lip sets were super fun. I feel like the colors though weren't anything special, but they do go with Snow White really well. I actually really love the hand mirror. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this because I always use these hand mirrors from Colourpop. Also really liked the blushes, and I haven't tried the lip scrub yet, but I'm sure it's the same formula as their other lip scrubs, which I do like. So I would love to hear your thoughts on this collection in the comments down below. I will have everything linked in the description box if you guys want to check anything out. So I hope that you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.